Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting a brand new series that I'm incredibly excited about. We're entering the Copilot era, and over the next few episodes we're going to look at how AI is fundamentally changing the way we build solutions. But before we get into the how-to, we must first of all understand the what and the why. So let's dive into today's episode. When people hear AI, they often think of simple chatbot. But in Power Platform, Copilot is much more than that. It is a reasoning engine. Think of it as a digital copilot sitting right next to you. It doesn't just take over, it assists, it suggests, and it orchestrates. We are moving away from the era of manual construction where you had to move all the building blocks by yourself into the era of conversational development. So why are we talking about this now? We are currently facing a massive app gap where the demand for business solutions is growing much faster than we can build them. While low-code opened doors for many beginners, but those beginners still hit a complexity cliff when they move past the simple drag and drop into the difficult formulas. Copilot acts as a bridge over that cliff, allowing new makers to build professional, high-level quality structures without needing to master complex syntax first. For experts, this isn't about replacement. It's about a pro-dev multiplier. You can finally stop wasting time on repetitive boilerplate tasks like setting up basic schemas, crude operations, and instead move from being a builder to an architect. By orchestrating AI to handle the busy work, you can now focus on high-value logic. And in so doing, helping you solve, the business backlog 3 times faster, 4 times faster. So we're not just tackling, or the Copilot is not just targeting the beginners. Actually, the experts are benefiting a lot as well. Because if you were taking a month to build a solution, for example, now it can take you 2 weeks, 3 weeks to come up with an end-to-end solution. Let's look under the hood. Copilot isn't magic. Don't think because it's just spinning up applications out of thin air, then it's some magic happening in the background. That's not the case. It's actually an AI-powered assistant that is built on Azure's OpenAI large language models. So what makes it special? Because for us, we've been building applications, business applications, Power Apps, Power Automate Flows, Power Pages for years now. Why is it special for us? It is how it connects our natural language, which is our plain English, to the Power Platform's execution. Because what it does, it understands our infrastructure, which is our database tables, our Power Automate flows, our data inside of our applications. And it even understands our Power FX formulas. And then it acts as a translator between the business ideas and the technical solution. Therefore, if I need to spin up a form quickly, I can just say, spin me up a form. I want to collect data for this event. Copilot will understand that, feed it to OpenAI's large language model, which is the GPT 4.1, and then after it has handled that understanding, it will spin up whatever you're asking it for. So no magic, just large language model. So what are the Copilot's capabilities across the whole Power Platform suite? So Copilot will fundamentally change your workflow through 3 main core capabilities: generate, analyze, and refactor. So first of all, it will start by generating the heavy lifting foundations, drawing your data tables and your UI screens based on a simple description. So you never have to start with a blank screen ever again. After it has generated those screens, the foundation, it then allows you to analyze the data using natural language. So by analyzing the data, it will help you uncover business trends and provide insights instantly. without having to build dozen manual reports, views, etc. Finally, it helps you refactor your work by explaining complex Power FX formulas or even suggesting cleaner, more efficient ways of writing your logic. For your development journey, this means that you are no longer stuck on repetitive grunt work of building schemas or troubleshooting syntax errors. Copilot will handle the time-consuming tasks for you. Okay? You don't have to tweak a button, change the color, set up a theme, for example. All you're doing is having a conversation with it. I want you to change this color to blue. I want you to make the width of this particular table the way it's looking to this. Copilot is understanding what you're saying, and then it is executing it. No more, I'm spending this whole week trying to come up with a better UI. All right? By having an AI assistant that can decode your legacy apps or optimize your logic on the fly, you can now move away from the frustration of manual coding and focus entirely on delivering high-impact solutions for your organizations and your users. Therefore, as I said earlier, because we have got a lot of backlog in terms of the business processes that we have to automate, you'll be making your clients happy. But at the end of the day, that is what we're here for. So for those of you that are starting out, Copilot is your greatest mentor. I'm lucky enough I had Shenyang because Shenyang is my mentor, and I had Reza Durrani. I'm not saying that Copilot is replacing those technically sound individuals because they know a lot in terms of the entire Power Platform. But what I'm saying is that Copilot will be your greatest mentor on top of those individuals I've mentioned. We've all had a blank cover screen anxiety, and this is not just you who are starting out, it's almost everyone, where you don't even know which button to add or what function to add, where to add the function on. Copilot will remove that hurdle for you by suggesting the initial data structure and the UI based on your prompt. It will allow you to go from an idea to a working prototype in minutes, not days. So it'll be easier for you to impress. Now, if you are a pro developer, don't think this isn't for you. Copilot is a force multiplier. It takes care of the boring stuff, repetitive crude operations, and basic UI setups. This frees you up to focus on the high value work, the custom APIs integrations, the complex security patterns, and the entire enterprise architecture that really makes a difference. So don't ever think I'm too awesome for Copilot. Just use it as a tool in your arsenal so that you're able to do more with less time. So let's take some time to compare the traditional versus the new way, the Copilot way of doing things. In the traditional world, we were manually creating every column and looking up formula syntaxes. Everything had to be done manually. We're dragging a button from here, changing its colors, adjusting its width, its size, everything we had to do it manually. In the AI assisted world, in the Copilot world, we are just describing our intent. We're usually saying stuff like, build a table for property audits. And guess what? Copilot will handle the schema, and we can describe the logic, and Copilot will handle the Power FX generation. It's a shift from being a builder to being an architect, where now we're just coming in to supervise, making sure that we massage whatever is coming out of the whatever AI or Copilot has generated for us, because we're not just taking everything that AI has generated and then treating it as gospel. We're also coming in as an architect to edit here and there. Maybe the table column had to be a choice column, it added it as a text field. So you are there as an architect to just make those few edits, but you're not having a form where you have to create 20 columns and then you're creating each and every column one by one. let Copilot handle that for you. So, in a way, the AI assisted, the Copilot way, is quicker for us. So those are the main differences between the traditional way of which we used to build applications. Some people are still stuck with building the traditional way because preferences matter, of course. But those are the benefits or the differences between these two. I know that many of you are thinking, is my data safe? But at the end of the day, we're dealing with company data, confidential data, stuff that we don't want our competitors to have privilege to. So when we're saying Copilot, with everything that is in the news of the data policies, you might ask yourself to say, if I'm feeding Copilot my data, my company data, is my data safe? This is the most important slide in this deck, by the way, because your organizational data stays within your Microsoft 365 tenant boundary. It is never used to train Microsoft global models. Copilot inherits all enterprise solutions and the GDPR compliance you already have in place. It's innovation without compromise. Don't ever think that whatever information that you're asking Copilot, that it will be used to train the model that is being utilized by everyone else. It is just available inside of your Office 365 tenant. Even Microsoft doesn't have access to that tenant unless you invite them into your tenant. So don't worry about the data and the responsibility. Your data is safe. This is how your journey changes. You start by conceptualizing the problem. You prompt Copilot to get a draft. You refine that draft with your specific business logic. And finally, you deploy. We're moving through these stages faster than ever before because the middle, the tedious building, is now being assisted by Copilot. Let's take a look at the numbers, because the numbers are actually backing this up. We are seeing a 60% increase in the prototype speed because users are no longer in the nitty-gritties building everything from scratch. They're just prompting Copilot, and Copilot is providing them a foundation. All they have to do is to make sure that they massage that foundation and then build it from there, therefore decreasing the time spent on creating the tables, flows, etc. But look at this, a 74% decrease in the time spent searching for formulas. As I said, when I was starting out years ago, before Copilot, in the dark ages, I had to go on Google, on the communities, I had to go on YouTube, shout out to Shenyan. I had to make sure that I'm searching for syntaxes. If I want to pull data from this and then merge it with this into a collection, how do I do that? I have to see a video of someone explaining that. I had to ask the community for assistance. But now, the time spent on searching for those formulas has drastically decreased because Copilot has got all that knowledge already, and it can help you write up those formulas. And on top of that, it can also help describe what that formula is doing, so that you're no longer confused to say, okay, yeah, I've written this long script, this long PowerFX formula. What exactly is it doing? Copilot is writing it for you and explaining it for you at the same time. That is huge. That's more time for you to spend on innovating and less time spending on documentation. This is how IT teams are finally starting to clear those massive applications or solutions backlogs. We've covered a lot today. We've defined what Copilot is, how it helps both new and expert developers, and why it's a game changer for your career. If you have questions, drop them in the comment section below. I want to hear from you. And make sure to subscribe, because in episode 2, we are getting hands-on as we build our very first app using nothing but natural language. I'm Steven Thawe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.